Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this free video we're going to recap this morning's day trades again. What I'm trying to do here is outline the kind of setups we look for in the chat room in the morning and give you an idea of the kinds of trades that we take. So two trades today, just two, that fired off, and the most conservative was the Dow. So let's start there as we recap the morning's trades. And when I say morning's trades, gang, I'm talking about really almost strictly looking from 9:30 to 11:30, and quite frankly at that point calling it a day. So if you're interested in that kind of timing, these setups are exactly the kind of thing you're looking for. So we wait for the breach. We get that breach right in here. It's an automated tool that helps us trade what's known as the clearing. And in this case, we were tracking the first 30 minutes of the day, the high and the low. We get our breach right in here. And then comes our retreat. Now that retreat came basically right at that 27,400 level, which I love when I can take advantage of a major psychological level, like we were able to right here on a short. So alerted the traders to that in terms of that setup being valid. Of course, this zone was valid, as was right up against validity, valid as well. So that trade sets up, and then all we're doing is waiting for it. It took a little while. We kept bouncing and bouncing, but all we were doing is waiting for a move down to hourly price movement range support levels. And you can see that here. This is the HPMR tool, fueled by the data from AutoChartist that we plot right on our charts. And I think it was really interesting to note that the market struggled to really remain above the -1 V-score. And that really, I think, brought another layer of confirmation and certainty to the expectation for more downside follow through. And that's exactly ultimately what we were able to take advantage of. The other trade was more aggressive, and that was on the S&P. Now we'll talk a little bit more in the premium video about what to do with aggressive HPMR rejections or resistance as we had here. And that was a pretty nice trade that we had as well. 3 different hits on the 10 to 11 o'clock HPMR. Again, 10 to 11 o'clock means these are the projected highs according to the historical data, the historical volatility analysis from AutoChartist. We just plot these on our chart, and these are the projected highs for this 60-minute span of time. And then we hit this, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and we're just looking to take it down to either the value area low here, which is the volume profile study, or even here, which was the first layer of the hourly price movement range support for the same hour. So 2 trades there, 2 very specific setups, taking advantage of the typical tools that we use. We'll jump into what these tools are, where you get them. We make the HPMR, the grab candles, the propulsion dots, as well as the clearing range tool right here, which you can kind of see outlined, free to members. So we'll talk about the setups and the settings on those in the premium video. In the meanwhile, enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next update.